What up? Riding through Richland, middle of the night. Bored as F. Oh shit. I'm bored. Okay. Leave me alone. Oh god. I'm trying to ride with no hands, but it's not working out very well. Well, I have to have one hand. Oh no, you can't see me. You can't see me. Like John Cena. John Cena! Oh, there I am. I have to use one. I have to use one hand to hold the phone. Here's my other one. Oh shit. See, I can't do it because I'm going up a hill. Here's a little park. Oh Jesus. There's nobody here. Nobody knows. You guys can't see me. So. I'm riding through a little playground. I'm actually in a parking lot. It's got like a 12-car parking lot. And I gotta go all the way around. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16-car parking lot. Oh my god. That's Walmart grade right there. They'd be ready for Black Friday every day of the year. With room. Alright. I don't know. Hey, the sign says dip. That reminds me of Tyrese. Or, oh wait, not Tyrese. Nate. More like Nate. If any of you saw Emily's Thiessen's Snapchat story, you would see that Nate's a retard. Sorry, not retard. He's unintelligent and idiotic sometimes. Shows him headbutting Tyrese. And Tyrese is wearing Mr. Bond's motorcycle helmet. Nate's a moron. I don't know. I'm going to church, you guys. Columbia Foursquare Church. It's like, oh, there's no one here. You know, I'd get in a lot of trouble. Okay, I'm on this new bike, right? And I'm not really used to it, and it's really tall. And I'm gonna lean over a lot to ride it. Sometimes I'll hit a bump and slide forward and just smash my testicles. That might be a little TMI, but the truth's the truth. Peeps. Peeps. I like Peeps. Marshmallows, especially when you roast them over a fire. Like marshmallows, because that's what they are. They're sugar-coated marshmallows. I'm not going to sugarcoat it for you, but Peeps will. Peeps. Okay. Toyota, Chevy, what car should I steal? No, I'm kidding, I'm not going to steal a car. But if I would, it'd probably be this ugly little Chevy truck, because it has no security system whatsoever. Oh god, my nose itches. Okay. It's dark. I'm scared. So scared, you guys. Bug. Bug just landed on my arm. Lord help us all. I feel like I just did some cocaine. Or maybe ate some brownies. I'm gonna shout out to Emily. It's been like a week and a half. It's all good so far. Shout out to Gavin, my brother from another mother. Sometimes I hate him, but he's basically my brother. As all of you should know that are close to me anyways. Ooh, now we're at Lewis and Clark Elementary School. It's really bright here. Gavin, if you're watching this, you probably aren't, because you don't care. I miss you, man. No, I'm kidding. Everybody misses you. Your craziness and outstanding idiocracy. Okay. sounds like somebody's getting raped. Just rode by in here. Oh, I'm gonna turn this off. Okay. Like, subscribe, be friends, be cool, be chill. Make more dank memes. Hail Hitler.